This isn't just any gift. It's the Musin Lavender Gift Basket for women. And trust me, it's something special. Imagine giving a gift that truly captures your appreciation and love. This beautiful box isn't just filled with items. It's a heartfelt message that says, "You are awesome." Perfect for moms, best friends, sisters, or anyone who deserves a little extra love. Every detail in this gift basket is designed to impress and uplift. The calming lavender scent? Absolutely divine. It's like a warm hug in a box. You know that feeling when you see someone light up with joy? That's what this gift does. So, if you want to show that special woman in your life just how much she means to you, click the link and make her day unforgettable. You won't regret it.